Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Bank of America. First thing first, before you sign up into your online banking account, make sure that you already have a bank account on Bank of America. Only then you'll be able to sign up into your account. So the procedure to sign up is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to follow the step correctly. Firstly, open up your web browser. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the link that is www.bankofamerica.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Next page, you will be directed into official site. In the left hand side corner, you can see there is a login interface. In order to log in, first of all, you must have an online banking account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. So in order to sign up for your online banking account, tap on enroll in the bottom right corner. On the other page, in order to create your online banking account, you'll have to provide some information that includes your card number or your account number, and then your social security number or your tax identification number. So then make sure to enter the correct information that is linked with your Bank of America. And once you're done entering your account or your card number, next move on with social security number or your tax identification number. In case you don't have both the following information, that is your social security number or a tax identification number, so then tap on the link in the bottom left corner that is don't have an SSN or TIN. And next page you have the alternative. So instead of social security number or your tax identification number, you can enter your account number and then your ATM or your debit card number. And the third one is you can either enter your ATM or your debit card's PIN number. And after you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again and then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. As soon as you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you'll get to create login information, that is your user ID and your password. And once you're done creating your user ID and your password, so then tap on continue, and you have successfully created your online banking account of Bank of America. And that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Bank of America. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.